All right, so now what I want you to do is just give yourself a lot of room in your terminal and type in Terraform plan. And what this is going to do, it's going to generate a speculative plan of what it would deploy. And so if we just scroll to the top here, what you're going to notice here is going to say this is what it's going to create. So see the green plus sign? And it's saying we're going to create a new AWS instance or resource here. And this is all the configurations that we were adding to it. And down below, it's going to say 1 added, 0 change, 0 destroy. And so it's speculative in the sense that it's not generating out a plan. You can actually generate the plan to be used by a Terraform apply. So notice that it says -out option to save this plan. So, we don't need to generally save out our plans, but that is an option if we want to do that for some pragmatic use. But now that plan has been shown here and we're happy with it, what we can do is go ahead and type in Terraform apply. And it's going to do the exact same thing. It's going to show us a speculative plan, exactly the same thing. So it's running basically Terraform plan. And then we're going to review it. And if we're happy with it, we're going to write the word yes. Okay. And so what that's going to do, it's going to go ahead and start creating some AWS infrastructure there. And in particular, it's just a single AWS instance. So if we make our way over to AWS and we go to EC2, okay, I can just close these other tabs here. You'll notice that we have the server and it's starting to spin up. But if you're familiar with AWS, you're probably also familiar with CloudFormation. And CloudFormation is what AWS uses for infrastructure as code. It's their native tooling for it. I just want to show you that there are no stacks. Like these are for Aurora serverless. I just couldn't delete them out. But notice that there is no underlying stack that Terraform is setting up. So Terraform is responsible for managing the state, and it's not using CloudFormation underneath, just so you're aware. If we make our way back here, it says that it is completed provisioning. Okay, and so what we'll do is make our way over here and give it a refresh. And notice that even though it says that it's complete, it technically isn't because the status checks aren't done. So if you use CloudFormation, it would not be considered done until we had a status check 1 and 2. I'm sure there's some way to check that with Terraform to consider it actually complete. I'm not really sure at this point in time how to do that, but I'm just pointing that out, okay? So we'll just wait here for this to complete to move on to the next step, okay?